Hi friends, welcome back to a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Arelis and I'm so happy that you're here. I am in my bathroom because it is time to clean this space and decorate it for fall. Now I am not gonna clean this on camera, so I'm just finishing up cleaning here before we start decorating this space together. You guys, I love decorating my bathroom for fall. I didn't used to do that all the time. It's just something I've been doing the past few years, or I think the past 2 years. But anyway, I'm just gonna wrap up this cleaning and then we're gonna dive right into the decorating. I already was done decorating my downstairs, and then I remembered I had this bowl up here and I didn't want to rearrange anything downstairs, so I am keeping it here also for the fall season. I don't mind because I really loved it for the summer season, so I'm now going to fill it up with some pumpkins. This year I wanted to try a more of a neutral look. Now my pumpkins will be fairly neutral, but I still love the pop of fall hues when it comes to my florals. So for my bathroom I will keep those fall colors because that is just something I love so much. And because my downstairs is more neutral when it comes to the florals and the pigs, I wanted to bring in more of those fall colors up here. I had these pumpkins for ages, you guys. I love to add some lighting to my bathroom, so I'm going to be putting those battery operated tea lights on, a timer on these, because when I have to go to the bathroom at night, I really like to have a little bit of light without having to turn on the switch because that's like too bright. Now whenever in my bedroom I have no idea how to decorate, like this top shelf here, you guys, I use toilet paper to decorate with. I think that is a great way because it isn't something weird to have toilet paper here because, well, you use it anyways, so why not decorate with it? And I'm just putting these pigs, these fall pigs here, just to add that pop of fall. Now another thing that you can do is wrap your toilet paper in fabric, making them look like a pumpkin. I didn't want to do that. I want to keep them simple and neutral like this, but that's a great way also to decorate with a toilet paper in your bathroom.
This love has never been stronger. I'm up in the clouds when you're around, but when you're not, it's getting much harder, and I'm falling down, I'm falling down. I see your face on all of the pages in the scrapbook of my mind. To put it down for a while takes ages. Then I'm falling down, I'm falling down. I'm thinking of you every day, a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day, a million times, just when I'm thinking of you.
You might remember the tier tray that I had here. I've had it for the longest time and I got rid of it for this summer. And I really loved the simple look here without it. So I'm keeping this tray here, or well, I'm keeping this space tiered tray free for a while. and I did say that I want to bring it back for fall and for Christmas even, but I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be doing that anytime soon. But for now, this is how I love this space. Now, you saw that I shared with you these beautiful poppies in my haul. I will link that video below in case you've missed them. And I'm going to be creating a beautiful fall arrangement here because these are the colors that I love for fall, you guys. I toned this down downstairs this year, but I still wanted to see these beautiful fall hues, so I'm adding them here to my bathroom and also to my bedroom, which you will see in a separate video. Now, this is actually the vase that I was planning on using for those large pampas grass that I have on my console table downstairs. If you've missed that video too, I will link it below. Now you can totally see that this vase wasn't going with the vibe that I was going for downstairs. So I'm keeping it up here, and for this space, it is perfect. And this floral arrangement was also a thrift find, and actually this is exactly how it looked when I got it, and I haven't rinsed it out yet. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you this, but after I'm done here, of course, I will rinse it out because I really want it to be clean. I don't like using things from the thrift store without cleaning them. Now I'm really satisfied with the end result. I really wanted to bring in the fall colors in here, but I didn't want it to be overwhelming, and I wanted to keep the pumpkins and the rest of the decor quite neutral, and I think it worked out just perfect like this, and I'm really loving it. Now drop me a comment below. Do you decorate other parts of your home as well, or just your living spaces? Because like I mentioned earlier in the video, I just recently started decorating my bathroom, but I've been loving it. Now there are some more decorate with me videos coming up for fall, so make sure that you have your notification bell on, and if you're not a subscriber yet, I would love it if you would consider hitting the subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. So for now, I'm gonna leave you with this small tour, and I see you again in my next one. Until then, always remember to live, laugh and love. Bye.